Step number 1, come over to Google and search any random motivational fact. Step number 2, come over to pexels.com and search any drone footage. And you can be like this guy over here who has just started doing this a couple of months ago and is now earning anywhere between $300 and $3,000 a month, posting the simple motivational and relationship facts over drone footage on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook Reels, and they are making anywhere between 4 and 5 figures a month, posting this content on all the possible platforms with all the possible ways that they are monetizing their content. And the best part is he only did this with his mobile phone. You don't need any fancy recording software. You don't need a crazy expensive i9 PC to do some crazy graphic and video rendering. All you need is the content from these websites, the strategy that I'm going to show you, and you can copy and paste this content completely legally and completely for free because there's no copyright infringement on this content. It's all copyright free to make anywhere between $200 and $500 a day through various ways of monetization that I'm going to show you throughout this video. You don't need any money to do this. You don't need any skills or experience or film knowledge to go and do this. All you need is this tutorial that I'm about to show you, and you can go and get started with your own online business using the strategy. Remember, an online business can consist of any way that makes money online. Whether you want to become a trader, whether you want to do affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, a YouTube business, those are all ways of creating an online business for yourself and creating your own job online, which you can hopefully live sustainably off of. And for what this channel has achieved in the last couple of months, imagine where they are going to be in 1, 2, 3 years from now. They're only on 600 subscribers. They've got a total of nearly 500,000 views, and all they're doing is posting simple facts based on relationship, facts about your parents, motivational facts, over drone footage with text and probably some kind of inspirational song or uplifting song. And people love this kind of content. I've seen content like this on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels do really well. So why not go and use YouTube Shorts? Because obviously we can get monetized on YouTube. And at the same time, we can just repost our videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, well, that's what we're doing, Facebook Reels, to go and grow our YouTube channel very fast. Because usually what I do is I plug in my YouTube channel with TikTok and all the other viral platforms to get tons of views on YouTube and ultimately make tons of ad revenue. Before we get started with this video, my name is Jay, and on this YouTube channel, I'm busy building a community of people that want to learn to make money online. On my YouTube channel, I document my journey on the various ways that I used to make money online, including affiliate marketing, drop servicing, some trading content, analyzing forex and stock markets, building a content creation business out of YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and all the social media platforms out there. So if you want to follow this journey, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. On my second YouTube channel over here, I'm documenting my trading journey full time, posting about 2 to 3 times a week of epic trading courses, trading live, taking live trades, and how I analyze the markets. So that channel is purely devoted to trading. This main channel over here, Millionaire Mindset, is more devoted to affiliate marketing, creating funnels, creating content. So I recommend if you want to follow both of those journeys, you can go and subscribe to both YouTube channels. I'll leave the link down below to my second YouTube channel. And as promised from yesterday's video, I'm going to do another giveaway in today's video. If you can see this emoji somewhere in this video, I'm going to leave it on the screen later in this video. This one doesn't count. It's not this one. I want you to take a screenshot of when you see this emoji pop up. Send me a DM on Instagram or a screenshot showing the timestamp, showing that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will send the first person who does this $20 Bitcoin to their Bitcoin wallet address. This was the winner of yesterday's giveaway. So well done to you. You got $20 to your Bitcoin. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I want to quickly take you over this YouTube channel over here that is really doing this pretty well. Now, there's a reason I've chosen this YouTube channel and not some random big channel that has millions of subscribers, because I want to show you the potential of this and where you will more or less be as a beginner in this and how quickly you can scale. So over here you can see some videos only get 20, 30, 55, 18, 151 views, but then some get 5.1k, 4.4k, 3k, 3k. If I come over to the most popular over here, 63k, 27k. So as you can see, the whole idea of the strategy is to be consistent. You're not going to post once and get a million views. YouTube just doesn't work like that. YouTube's algorithm is an AI specifically made to go and look for content creators to blow up on the explore page and to go viral. But that AI only targets people that they can see are consistent and passionate in doing YouTube. So I noticed a lot of my videos started going viral or getting a lot more views after I posted about 30 to 40 videos on my channel, which was a daily series that I had for a month when I posted every day for 30 months. In the beginning of this YouTube channel, that's when I noticed a lot of growth on my YouTube channel. So that is why I'm emphasizing in this video that consistency with the strategy is key, but it can really pay off. So the first thing you want to do is come over to Google and search for any kind of motivational fact, and you will find tons that you can go and use. Now, we're not going to download these pictures and reuse them. We're just going to use the quote. So over here, we've got, for example, don't worry about failures, worry about the chances you miss. You don't even try when you don't even try. Over here, we've got get the facts first, you can distort them later. Over here, we've got life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balances, you must keep moving. So it's very simple and motivational quotes like this. Now, I want to show you how we're going to go and use drone footage on pexels.com to go and plug into this quote over here and make a motivational themed YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So we can go and use a tool called invideo.io, which will automatically put text and turn that into a video for us. This is honestly one of my favorite tools when it comes to TikTok, YouTube Shorts. It's a very handy tool and you can use it completely for free. So I'm going to go and log in with my existing account over here. Once you've signed in, InVideo is going to look like this with all of these templates over here. Go and click on vertical on the middle right over here because that is the resolution required for videos on YouTube Shorts. Click on text to video on the menu bar over here, and we can type in any kind of text and it will turn that into a video for us. So over here, you'll now see we've got all sorts of themes and templates. What we can go and do is we can go and choose this one. For example, I usually choose this blue template as it's one of my favorites and it's the most simplest. Just pause that. Click on use this template. For your headline, you can come over to the motivational fact over here and we can type here, for example, motivational fact part 1. For our story, we can just go and type our motivational quote. So for example, don't worry about failures. We can type here, don't worry about failures, ... We can click on enter twice. We can then type here, worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. And then we can just go and correct our spelling. And let's put ... over here. You want to click on auto suggest images, click on next over here, and it will automatically go and build this YouTube short for you. And take a look at this. Over here you can see you've got your title, your quote, and your second quote over here, and it's a simple 6-second video, which is all you need for YouTube Shorts. Now you can go and add and drag and drop your own media over here. So what I recommend is you can go and download some drone footage over here and put this in the background of your quote while you're busy flying through the air on the drone. As you can see, that's more or less what this person is doing over here. Or you can just leave this as is, go and click on download on the top right over here, click on 720p or 1080p, click on export, and it will automatically build this entire TikTok and YouTube short for you for your YouTube page. So over here you'll see it will take a couple of minutes and you can download this completely for free. Once your video is ready for download, this is ready to go and post on your YouTube channel that looks like this. Now, before we go and post, I want to show you a couple of ways that we can monetize this from the beginning with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, 0 views. You don't need the monetization mark yet. Firstly, we can go and use a tool called builderall.com. I'm just going to come over to the homepage over here. And we can go and create landing pages where we collect email lists. We can build email subscriber based lists. We can sell different affiliate products in our funnels, have upsells, downsells, our own checkouts plugged into our own page. And using this, we can monetize our YouTube channel by leaving links to our funnels in the descriptions of our videos. And at the end of each and every video, if you want to, you can maybe just leave in the corner somewhere nice and small, link in description, or click on the link in the description, and a lot of your viewers will see that, and it's a great way to get a lot of clicks on your affiliate links, your landing pages, your sales funnels. If you want to sell merch in your own online store, that's a great way to go about it. So on builderall.com, you can sign in completely for free over here. This is what your dashboard looks like. Builderall does have a free trial, but you want to come over to Cheetah Website Builder here, and I want to show you a couple of funnels. Also, if you come over to Funnel Builder on the apps page, so I've opened up the page builder and the funnel builder, and I just want to show you more or less what you can do with this tool and how you can make money with it. So over here, if I come over to the Cheetah Funnel Builder and I click on Add Funnel, let's just go type, for example, YT Shorts. Doesn't really matter the name. We can click on any theme over here. We can click on, for example, let's say we're doing a blue theme. We can click on Create Funnel, click on Start the Funnel, click on Blueprints over here, and you can import all sorts of done for you funnels, from lead capture funnels to sales process funnels with all the done for you pages, webinar processes. If you want to sell a course in your own membership area, you can go and do that. Other pages here. So for example, if I load up the sales letter funnel, we've got over here a squeeze page, sales letter page, the checkout, a one-time offer, a down sale page, and an offer wall page over here. So all the pages load up into your funnel for you, and you can leave links to all of these funnels over here in your YouTube Shorts description. Secondly, another way to make money from this is if you come over to clickbank.com, which is one of the most well-known and accredited affiliate marketing platforms out there, to go and find tons of affiliate products that you can go and promote. I'm just going to go and log in with my existing account. Once you're on your ClickBank dashboard, you will see a whole bunch of different categories on the left over here. Now, since we're in the motivational niche, I recommend go and use spirituality, new age, and alternative belief products. Click on that category and it will load up some of the best affiliate programs that you can go and promote. So for example, there's a whole TikTok and social media monster soulmate sketch tool over here. You're going to get $19 per sale that you make and $7 every month passively thereafter. So if I go and click on the homepage over here, you will see the entire sales page, landing page is done for you. So you can go and click on promote of this product, click on create hop link, copy your hop link, and go and put your video when you upload it to YouTube in the description of your videos over here, for example. So that way you can get tons of clicks to your affiliate product. At the same time, you're growing your YouTube Shorts page by getting tons of views. What I also recommend is plug in affiliate products from ClickBank to your own funnels on builderall.com. That's a great combination to have, because ultimately you want to try and get a lot of your YouTube audience saved into an email list, and that way you can promote multiple affiliate products down the line and use many ways and many email sequences and campaigns to monetize and make money from your audience. So this is the strategy that you can use to make money by copying and pasting these kind of videos completely legally and completely for free to make anywhere between $200 and $500 a day. Like I said to you, consistency is the key in the beginning over here. You want to post daily for a month or 2 months, and then you will start to see some good substantial growth. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. One called my YouTube growth playlist, one called my Builderall training, which combines building your funnels, teaches you in depth how to go and plug in affiliate products into your funnels, how to sell that, and the YouTube playlist over here, which you can combine these two, build a YouTube business at the same time, have your funnels plugged into your YouTube page. That's a great sweet spot to make money online. So I recommend go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.